Hi everyone, I'm Braden T from 2P1 and I'll be presenting on carbon dioxide. Today I'll be presenting on the role of carbon dioxide in the ecosystem, factors affecting the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and the role of the ocean as a carbon sink. So now, what is the role of carbon dioxide in our ecosystem? Carbon dioxide plays an important part in vital plant and animal processes such as photosynthesis and respiration. Carbon dioxide is needed for plants to carry out photosynthesis, which produces oxygen. The oxygen is then later taken in by animals for respiration. Photosynthesis converts energy from the sun into chemical energy in food. In other words, carbon dioxide is necessary for the survival of plants, which animals and humans rely upon for food and oxygen. Moreover, carbon dioxide enables energy to flow through the ecosystem. Photosynthesis converts energy from the sun into chemical energy in food. Animals consume those sugars from plants and burn them through cellular respiration, which releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere for reuse by producers for photosynthesis. Now, what causes the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to increase? Firstly, increased fossil fuel consumption. Fossil fuels exist in the form of oil, coal, and natural gas. Fossil fuel consumption has increased significantly over the past half century. Combustion is required to produce energy stored in fossil fuels. However, combustion combines carbon with oxygen in the air, releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide. In 2020, China released 10.67 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere through the burning of fossil fuels. Deforestation. Stored carbon in trees is released into the atmosphere due to decomposition when trees are cut down. Less carbon dioxide will be absorbed due to less photosynthesis, resulting in a high amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Almost 129 million hectares of forest, almost equivalent to the area of South Africa, were lost between 1990 and 2015. Increased carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is the total amount of carbon dioxide emissions produced as a result of an individual's actions, both directly and indirectly. Worldwide car sales grew to around 66.7 million automobiles in 2021, up from around 63.8 million units in 2020. However, the number is expected to rise exponentially over the next few years. Role of the ocean as a carbon pump. There are two types of carbon pump. One is the biological pump and the other is the physical pump. For the biological pump, phytoplanktons take in carbon dioxide to photosynthesize and grow, producing a fixed carbon. Once this carbon is fixed into soft or hard tissue, the organisms either stay in the euphotic zone to be recycled as part of the regenerative nutrient cycle or sink to the ocean floor once they die. Did you know that the biological pump transfers about 11 gigatons of carbon every year into the ocean's interior? For the physical pump, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the ocean through diffusion. Carbon dioxide dissolved in the surface of the ocean can be transferred to the deep ocean due to the density of the water. These heavy surface waters plunge down to great depths, exporting the CO2 down to the deep ocean. So here's a summary of what I've covered today. Here are the references. The end. Thank you very much for your